Hello everyone, in this video we will discuss intellectual property and open source software. Let's start with intellectual property. Intellectual property refers to the legal rights and protections granted to individuals or entities over their creations of the mind. These creations can include inventions, artistic work, design, symbol, name and images used in commerce. Now let's take an example. Imagine you have spent months developing a groundbreaking software application. It's your brainchild, your unique creation. Intellectual property encompasses the legal rights and protection you have over your creation. Types of intellectual property. There are mainly 4 types of intellectual property: patent, copyright, trademark and trade secret. First, patent. Now let's understand patent with an example. Imagine you invent something really cool like a special robot that cleans your room super fast. Now you want to make sure nobody else steal your idea, right? That's where a patent comes in. A patent is like a shield that protects your inventions. It says, hey, this awesome cleaning robot is mine. With a patent, you are the only one who can make or sell your inventions. So if someone else tries to copy your robot, you can say, sorry, that's mine. That's what a patent does. It keeps your amazing idea safe and sound. Now comes to second type, copyright. Copyright is like a magical bubble that keeps your creative stuff safe. It says this story, song or drawing is all mine. With a copyright, you are the boss of your creation. Nobody else can use it, copy it or make money from it without your permission. So if someone tries to steal your stuff, you can say hands off, that's mine. That's the power of copyright. Trademarks. Think of them as a company's signature. They are symbols, words or phrases that represent a brand. For example, red and white logo for Coca-Cola. They help consumers identify and distinguish products or services from one company to another. But trademarks aren't just logos. They can also be sounds, colors, or even product packaging. They are essential for brand recognition and building customer trust. Now let's talk about trade secrets. These are like a company's secret sauce, quickly, literally sometimes. They are valuable information that gives a business a competitive advantage. Unlike patent or copyrights, trade secrets aren't publicly disclosed. They are kept under lock and key. Known only to select few within the company, this secrecy is what gives companies their edge to the market. Open source software. So what exactly is open source software? Think of it as a collaborative masterpiece where the code that powers a program is freely available for anyone to see, use and modify. This openness fosters a culture of transparency, innovation and community-driven development. It's like having access to the blueprint of a building. You can study it, improve it and even build upon it. Examples of open source software are all around us. From the powerful operating system Linux to the versatile content management system WordPress. But it's not just about big projects. Even small tools and utilities like text editors and web browsers often follow the open source model. One of the most exciting aspects of open source software is the collaborative nature of its development. Thousands of developers worldwide contribute their expertise, each adding their unique touch to the code base. And because anyone can contribute, open source software tends to evolve rapidly with bugs getting fixed quickly and new features being added constantly. Alignment between intellectual property rights and open source software. So understand this with an example. Imagine you are building a game app with friends. You want to protect your hard work, right? So you use intellectual property rights like copyrights to make sure no one steals your code. But hey, you also want others to use and improve your game. That's where open source software comes in. You share your code freely, allowing others to collaborate and make the game even better. Now let's talk about dual licensing. Ever heard of Minecraft? It's a game loved by millions. The creators offer two versions, a free open source one and a paid version. This dual licensing model lets them make money from people who want extra features while still keeping the game accessible to everyone. Next up, big companies getting in on the action. Take Google for example. They are not just about search engines, they are also big supporters of open source projects like Android. By contributing their expertise and resources, they help make Android better for everyone. And legal stuff, well, think of open source licenses like traffic rules. They keep everything running smoothly. Companies like Microsoft and IBM follow these rules when they contribute to open source projects, ensuring everyone plays fair. So whether it's protecting your creation, making money, or collaborating with others, intellectual property rights and open software make a winning team. And that's how these seemingly different ideas come together to create amazing things. So let's wrap up what we have learned about intellectual property rights and open source software. Think of it like this. Intellectual property rights protect creators' work, like making sure no one steals your drawings or stories. On the other hand, open source software is all about sharing and teamwork. Like when lots of people work together to make a big project like a video game or an app. Now, why is finding the balance between these two important? Well, it's like making sure everyone gets a fair chance. We want creators to be rewarded for their hard work, but we also want to make sure everyone can use and build upon cool stuff. That's how we keep making new and awesome things together. So by finding that right balance between protecting creators and promoting teamwork, we can keep coming up with cool ideas and making the world a better place. And that's what it's all about. Working together to create something amazing.